In this video, I'm going to explain how AI Assist can also help you to both build your coding grid, your code list, and to code your documents. So AI Assist can help you with coding in your project in two ways. The first one is by suggesting new codes and new subcodes, and the second one is with automatic coding, which is new and quite impressive. So let's see how these two options work. We're going to start with the codes and subcodes suggestions. Well, to start with the codes, actually. So to ask AI Assist to suggest new codes for your code list, it's from the document browser here. So just what you have to do is to select some text. AI Assist suggest new codes for selected text. Here you can pick a language different than the language from the document and click OK. And I'm not shortening the video, so you can see how long it's actually taking. So here you have your code suggestions and also an explanation of why this code has been suggested. So you can pick the ones you want to keep, like this, click OK, and then you're going to have 3 new codes in your coding grid, in your code system, and these 3 codes have been applied to the extract that you picked at the beginning. And the explanation of why this new code is in the document memo here. So now for subcodes suggestions. For AI Assist to suggest subcodes to an existing codes, well, you need to have some content coded with this code, and it's from the code system window. Let's pick this one here. So you pick an existing code. Here, AI Assist suggest subcodes here. So same, pick the language. You can choose only activated documents, and you can also add additional instructions. So you get a new window with the code suggestions, so the subcodes suggestions. And for each subcode, you have an explanation about why this has been suggested. So you can pick the ones you want to keep. So for example, here, all of them. No, maybe not this one. And create code. So now you have all your subcodes here under your parent code, and again the explanations are displayed in the memos. Okay, so let's have a look at the automatic coding now. Automatic coding with AI Assist is, well, quite new in MaxQDA. It was in beta mode until quite recently. So AI Assist can suggest which extracts from your documents can be coded with a specific code. So this is based on the code definition you've written in the code memo. So automatic coding is going to use the definition from your code memo to pick which extracts should be coded with this or not. Automatic coding can be used for one document or multiple documents. For one document only with the free version of AI Assist, and multiple documents if you have the premium version. But it's always with one code at a time, of course, because you want to apply a specific code. With multiple documents, with the paid premium version, it doesn't mean that you can code all your documents at once, because there is also a limit to the number of characters that can be analyzed at the same time with the tool, but it's quite high, so you may be able to code a lot of documents at the same time, but maybe it's going to take a few different analyses to use the auto-coding for all your documents. So auto-coding can be useful, of course, when starting to code, but also if you want later in your analysis to review an already coded project. or maybe you want to get like a second set of eyes to help you check your coding to see if you missed some important things, for example. So how does it work? I'm going to show you in details after, but now just explaining. You choose one or multiple documents. You choose the code you want to apply, and make sure you wrote a clear definition of your code and of what it's supposed to be used for and not used for in the document memo. Then AI Assist is going to check which extracts can be coded with this code, and also to provide explanation about why, and you can review the suggestions and keep what you want to keep. So keep in mind, before I show you how to use it, it's an impressive tool, but it's not a magic tool that's going to code all your project in a few clicks and to do all the work for you, okay? Well, first, because it works with only one code at a time. So you have to make a request for every one of your codes and to review every suggestion. So it's like a research assistant. You're still the one doing the research, okay? So to use AI coding, it's here and the AI Assist tab, and also it's a bit in the different window too. Here the context menu, see AI coding from a code too, but let's go from there. So pick your documents. I'm going to pick a few here. Activated documents, okay. Pick a code, here, health, and here you can, if your code doesn't have a memo yet explaining what it's about, you can write it here. Okay, so this is a simple one. And waiting for AI Assist to work. Yeah, and again, I'm not shortening the video, so this is the actual time it's taking to do the analysis. So the coding suggestions are made straight by coding extracts in your document, as you can see here. So AI Assist is going to code all the extracts that could be a good match, but it's going to code them with a specific code, an AI code. So it's not using the main code here, it's creating a subcode with the same name, but it's specific to AI coding. So this way you can check and confirm or reject the suggestions. And for every coding there is an explanation about why, so can check that, of course, and you can decide if you want to keep the suggestion or not. So maybe you also want to change the length of the extract, these kind of things. To check that, maybe the best way is to activate your document, your code, and to have a look at the retrieve segment window. So in here you can see all the coded extracts, and here you can see the explanations about why it's been coded with this code. So if you decide to reject the suggestion, just delete the code here and move on to the next one. Now, if you agree, keep it. And once you've checked everything, you can just keep them in this code if you want, or you can move them to your main code here. You can also decide to move them one by one, like this, and move on to the next one. Or you can just, in the end, grab everything and then merge here. So you're only going to get one code. So that's it for coding with AI Assist.